Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to make your own ice cream at home. I got this from a blog called Shared Appetite. And as you can see, it's only 4 ingredients: heavy cream, vanilla extract, sweetened condensed milk, and olive oil, which sounds pretty strange, but I swear the flavor works really well somehow. So it's rich and creamy, and I find I don't really eat much at one time. And best of all, you don't need any fancy ice cream making equipment. Make sure you've got these basic items: an electric mixer to whip the cream, also a large container or a standard square baking tray like I'm using, some measuring cups and spoons, a spatula, and a couple of large mixing bowls. Into one of the bowls, add the can of condensed milk and the vanilla extract. The olive oil. And give it a mix. Into the other bowl, add the cream, and beat it with the electric mixer for a couple of minutes. That's finished. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 of the whipped cream to the condensed milk mixture. And gently stir that in, careful not to deflate the cream. And I'm going to add a bit more. This white bowl is not big enough, so I'm going to transfer that into the larger glass bowl with the rest of the cream and mix that in. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to freeze it in this tray, which I lined with baking paper. You don't have to line it, I guess. Pour the mixture into the tray. Then put it in the freezer for at least 6 hours. When it's ready, plate it up. It's so delicious, I really recommend you give this one a try. You might wonder why. What's the point of making your own ice cream when you can just buy it at the store? But if you look at the list of ingredients, you can see all these food additives like thickeners, emulsifiers, colors, flavors. These are all from the major ice creams sold at supermarkets in Australia, except Haagen-Dazs. Theirs is actually pretty good. But when you compare the others to these, you can see the ingredients are way more pure. I've been really into that the last year and a half, so I'm always happy to incorporate more of that into my diet when I can. Anyway, that's all for now, guys. I'll be uploading a new video soon. Thanks for watching.